Welcome.
Sorry.
Make sure you're not burning them.
Okay, we're
Good?
all buckled. Yeah. We're all ready to go. We're riding along with Raul. Here we go.
Never done this before, so this will be the first
You
ride.
never done this before? That's what you're telling me?
Because we do have a...
Do we have to wait our turn?
Yes, because we do have a group doing lead and follow. There's another class being done.
Okay.
So we're going to blend.
Give them lots of space so we can go fast.
Trust me.
Yeah.
I'm not going to... Look at
Oh my gosh! That is so much fun. Here we go. Oh my gosh. We need some oh shit handlebars in here. Oh my goodness. I feel like I drove this fast. Come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a little bit faster than the last time. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Did they record it?
Raul's not taking it easy on us. Yeah, pass him. Woohoo! 125 into the corner. I don't know if you can hear the tires squealing, but you can see the smoke. Here we go. Oh, that was it? One lap? Oh.
Remember, they have a session going on.
Raul, we gotta go again. Come on.
I was like, something's going off my
Okay, if
camera.
you just tuned in, you have to watch the replay because Raul did not hold back. Apparently, we only get one lap. Come on, do it again. Just go through. Just go through.
Hold back.
He held back. He was holding back. I know he could have went faster. All right. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.